So for the rooster in Japan.
Okay, I don't know the rooster. What's that?
Cock chicken.
Male chicken.
Okay. Coco.
Philippines. Canada. No, you had it. You had it. That's the whole thing. Canada. Let's not laugh, judges. No laughing. Canada.
Seriously?
Yes.
I can't do it.
We're waiting, Miss Canada.
No, wait.
Go.
One last chance. Okay.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
You're ashamed of it.
Next category.
How about frogs?
Kero.
Philippines.
Kokak, kokak, kokak.
Canada.
You're saying coca.
It's our country. Mind your own country. Canada.
Ribbit.
Next
How
category.
about a bird?
Oh, well, that's too
Chun-chun.
generic.
Chun.
That's a posh bird. Philippines. Canada.
I need a specific bird.
What?
What bird do you have? Eagle.
What's the national bird of Canada?
The loon.
Okay, how does it sound?
I don't know how to do it. It has a very eerie sound. I can't.
Your favorite bird. Your favorite bird.
Well, the generic one is, I guess, is tweet.
Okay, sweet.
Tweet.
Okay. Next category, cow.
No.
Dito lang yata magkapareho.
Oh,
Yeah, it's the
same.
same.
Okay, at least.
Dogs again.
Dogs.
Wang.
What type of car is that? Again, from Japan.
It's a Honda.
Wang.
Wang. Philippines.
Woof.
Canada.
Sabi niya na.
Oh.
Woof.
Next category.
Lizard. We can't do anything else.
Lizard.
Lizard.
Snake. Philippines. Canada.
Yeah, it just hisses. I don't know.
Kisses?
How about pig?
Hisses.
Pig.
Pigs. Wait.
Wait, I thought we were using the words, not actually like making the
That's
sound.
how do you hear it?
Japan, pig.
It's like a,
Philippines.
Oink, oink, oink.
Yeah, oink.
It's very American, no?
yeah.
Next category.
What else?
Lizard.
Tiger. Ayun,
Goat.
Monkey.
Oh, meh.
Meh.
Oh, same.
Yeah, same.
Canada is very energetic.
Lion.
Lion.
You're so
Like a monster.
I like it.
Japan, Philippines. And, ladies and gentlemen, last but not the least, Canada.
Roar.
What else
Trust
make a
me.
sound?
Other
there needs to be a
categories
lot more
from the audience?
pineapple and gins before I become animated.
Why do you like lizard?
How's lizard? Tiki.
Yeah.
Small lizard.
I don't think our lizards
click.
make noise.
Yeah, I don't think so. It doesn't make sound.
How about Philippines?
Philippines. Tiki. Big lizard.
Yay.
Ano ba?
The
Gecko yun.
Gecko.
The blackbird. You know that blackbird?
Oh, sige, you make
Yeah. Ka.
Oh, the crow.
Yeah,
Duck,
that's crow.
duck. What about duck?
Ka.
Duck.
Duck.
Yeah.
Oink.
Yeah, duck.
Duck.
Duck. Wow.
Yeah, nice.
Quack.
Quack. That's right.
Canada.
Accepted by Japan.
Okay, what about Edward? Category is Edward.
How about turkey?
How about
Kaki?
I'm not judgmental. Others are judgmental.
No animals. Let's go back to animals. Like a telephone.
A telephone.
Let's go back to animals. I can telephone.
Why not? A telephone. What was it?
Telephone?
Yeah.
It screams, right?
Vibrating.
It's like dum. My late father's telephones singing like dum.
Here. Sound of two cats having sex.
Yes.
I'm sure the Philippines will win.
Sounds like a child
Okay.
dying.
Two cats having sex.
Meow meow.
That's just one cat.
Maybe yata kayo yun.
Meow, meow.
Okay, meow meow meow.
You heard
Okay.
it.
The meow is like meow. Meow.
Okay, Philippines.
It sounds like a dove.
Of course not.
Actually, last time I checked, it kind of sounds like a child dying, screaming. Whatever.
Pagkok, dua.
How about horse? How about horse?
Horse.
Horse.
That's the cute horse you have in Japan.
That's Yahoo Messenger. Hihihihi.
Philippines. Si Vice ganda ba?
Vice ganda.
Canada. It's going to be Nay.
There you go. Nay.
We need to record more nationality. Come on. So who won?
Who won, Miss Judge?
You won.
I think
Do you want to win? Do you want to get free ride from here to Cebu?
oh that's right.
Okay, you won.
Ay okay.
Thank you.
May